Pointed gourd with hilsha fish curry. Taste was so good. Pointed gourd, fill and cut. Cut your choice. One potato, cut medium pieces. Hilsha fish 4 pieces. Salt. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Mix well. Keep aside. Oil. Fry. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Take out the fish. Fry pointed gourd. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. Take out. Onion 1/3 cup. Stir fry, few seconds. Garlic paste 1 tsp. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Stir. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry. Add little bit water. Some green chili. Saute 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried pointed gourd and potato. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, salt to taste. Mix. Add fried hilsha fish. Add warm water. Add slices tomato. Cover and cook 10 to 12 minutes. Add coriander leaves, as much as you want. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.